Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to remove video background in Canva mobile. Now, if you find this video helpful, like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. First of all, just open your design. Just click on the video. Okay. Now here on bottom, as you can see this option, Magic Studio. Just click on it. And here, as you can see this option, BG Remover. Just click on it. And as you can see, a video background is removed. So that's it for the video. That's how you can remove video background in Canva. Thanks for watching.